Hi everyone, I'm Joseph from Namseoul University. Welcome back my online class. This is the second time of today's lesson. Last time, last classes, we studied about the definition of cross hacking. This time, we will learn about the background of the emergence of cross hacking. The background of the background of the emergence of cross-hacking is the first is changes in the startup environment. The traditional marketing often requires large budget and time, but startups generally lack these resources in their early stage. From initially steps for the survivor and growth of startup. It was crucial to expand the customer base within a short period by efficiently utilizing limited resources. So uh, nowadays, the most corporations begin with the startup. So the changes in the startup environment is very also important a part of background of the emergence of cross hacking. And second is data centric marketing. The development of the internet and digital tools has created an environment where real-time data can be collected and analyzed, while traditional marketing tools rely on mass branding campaigns and mass branding campaigns, but growth hacking aims for rapid growth through data-driven experimentation and optimization. So nowadays, uh, many companies and use the data centers marketing strategy. Uh, so this low budget and limited resources resources centers the marketing strategy is growing very fast. And second is and third is product centered approach. Growth hacking is a product centered marketing strategy. Traditional marketing focus on promotion to attract customers after product development. Growth hacking concentrate on designing products on generative viral loops or network effects that drew customer in through the product itself. So this is a background. These are the background of the emergence of growth hacking. The first is changes in the startup environment. The second is data centers marketing, and third is product centered approaches, especially marketing strategy. And we will learn about the companies utilizing growth hacking strategies, uh, especially uh, in US, in America. There are so many companies that utilizes the cross hacking marketing strategies. The the representative of the example utilizing the cross hacking. The company is Facebook, especially Facebook is changing the name of company the Meta, and LinkedIn and Dropbox and Airbnb is a representative of the cross hacking. Okay, let's move into the next page. The company utilizing growth hacking strategies is the first company is Facebook. This is Meta. The Facebook's growth hackers discovers that users who added 7 or more friends within 10 days of signing up become the most active users of the service. So Facebook's marketers find that and know that users who added seven or more friends within 10 days of signing up become the most active users of the service. So uh, Facebook added the feature called people you may know. Uh, so the Facebook make the blank and the people who may know to enable new users to add seven or more friends. By recommending people you may know to new users, the company naturally encourages them to add seven or more friends. Through this feature, they guided new users to become active users, and as users themselves generate word of mouth effect among their uh, acquaintance, they achieved the result of the increasing the overall sign rate. So Facebook make the people you may know. So many users enable new users to add seven or more friends, and this recommending program people you may know is very powerful uh, is a very powerful strategy uh, to gain more customers and go into the Facebook platform. This is a very successful example in using cross hacking strategy. And the first company is Facebook, and this is Meta. And the second company is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a platform to connect uh, company and the person who wanted to get a job, and this is launches in December 2002. LinkedIn is a global business platform that combines job search service with social networking features. Used by hundreds of millions of people in over 200 countries worldwide. In Korea, LinkedIn uh, is not used in university student, but U.S. and Canada and other countries university student is using this platform LinkedIn. And for LinkedIn to retaining existing users was paramount to boosting service activity in its early stage. This is because content is generated within the service only when users visit frequently and remain active. LinkedIn also achieves significant growth by utilizing growth hacking. So LinkedIn is representative of the growth hacking strategies. LinkedIn analyzes traffic data. So LinkedIn also focus on and concentrating on the consumer data, especially the consumer traffic data, and confirm that most users revisit the website via emails sent by the company. However, typically when we open an email, we click on an email on the interact from the top few among dozen or hundred of messages to switch to a web browser. So this is very important to uh, this is very important the position of the email. So the uh, LinkedIn uh, analyzes uh, consumers' behavior, especially the time of the checking the email. So if if the consumer are getting their mailbox, the link the email from the LinkedIn is has a high position in in their mailbox. So this is an example of the LinkedIn, the mail that uh, high ranked in the mailboxes. So we often continue browsing without returning to the email. So therefore, LinkedIn analyzes the average time users spend checking their emails and sent out emails uh, 3 minutes earlier to ensure LinkedIn email approaches at the top of the inbox, the mailbox. So this is very important about the LinkedIn, the position of the email, especially at the top of the inbox. As a result, the company grew as user return rates increases significantly. So LinkedIn is uh, very growing fast because of this small marketing strategies. This market strategy is focusing on the growth hacking. So LinkedIn, the mailbox is like this, and the third company is Dropbox. Dropbox is very special company because the founder and creator of growth hacking uh, strategy, Sean Ellis, is also working in this company, Dropbox. Sean Ellis not only coined the term growth hacker, but was also Dropbox's first marketing manager. So after attracting initial user bases, the founders of Dropbox began to consider a marketing strategy for greater growth. With typical marketing, they would have had to spend high advertising costs of approximately uh, 233 to uh, 388 per new subscribers. This is a very expensive marketing fee, especially the startup company like it's like Dropbox. At this point, Dropbox implemented cross hacking with Sean Ellis because uh, Sean Ellis is the creator or maker this cross hacking marketing strategy. So noting that most users learned about the service through acquaintance, they achieved tremendous marketing results with the idea of providing free storage space to both the users and the reporter when the reporter signed up. So they began to provide uh, free Dropbox spaces, and especially the reporter and user and reporter when the reporter signed up. So the uh, Dropbox marketing strategy is a free Dropbox spaces. Get up to 16 gigabyte for free Dropbox. Invite your friend to join Dropbox, and for each one who installed the Dropbox, we will give you both five 5 mega of bonus spaces. So users is a marketer that uh, it's it in the free. If you need even more spaces, upgrade your account and if you don't like this, uh if you don't like the pay the more fee for the Dropbox spaces, so you have to recommend the Dropbox to your friend. So 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 you will get about 16 GB free Dropbox spaces. Dropbox added a small button to its homepage that read "Get Free Spaces." So this "Get Free Spaces" is very powerful strategy, especially the initial time in Dropbox. This was the program that provided 5 MB of free storage for every friends invited who signed up. With this single simple button, Dropbox attracted 2.8 million new subscribers in a single month. So this is a very powerful strategy. They clearly understood that the value customers desire from Dropbox was a storage space. Dropbox focused on the behavior data, so they they are getting know about the needs and wants of consumers. So they clearly understood that the value customers desired from Dropbox was storage space, while inviting friends or offering coupon upon sign up is a practice currently implemented by many brands. Dropbox can be considered the pioneer. Through this promotion, the number of new members increases by 60%. So this get free spaces uh, state strategies is a very powerful strategy to grow up the Dropbox. The last company is Airbnb. Airbnb also uses the cross hacking strategies. For Airbnb, the quality of the listing, especially the home, is just as important as the travelers staying there. This is because the higher listing quality stimulates the transaction and attracts more travelers. To improve listing quality, Airbnb company conducted a small event where they dispatches a professional photographer to take stunning photos of the homes when hosts list them, making them look like magnificent houses. Maybe like this. So Airbnb provides a special photographer to grow up the quality of the images about the homes. This event increases the transaction success rate and raises the unit price of listings. In particular, it boosts host loyalty as there is no value more important to a host than making their home look prettier and more impressive. Nowadays, Airbnb's picture is very impressive and beautiful. This picture uh, uh, is a house in the Jeju Island, uh, but this picture is very beautiful and very impressive because the the Airbnb is trying to hire the images quality of images the house. Airbnb anticipate that even slight changes to property folders could significantly improve their quality. Through this simple event, hosts are learned about how to make their listing look more appealing, and the quality of folders uploaded by hosts continued to rise even after the event, leading to a sustained positive effect. This is a prime example of how a single simple event can improve a service. Airbnb is Airbnb is going up very fast because of this cross hacking strategy. This is a very uh, small and simple event, but the effectiveness of this uh, simple event is very uh, tremendous. Okay, we have studied about companies utilizing growth hacking strategies. The first is Facebook, and the second is LinkedIn, and the third is Dropbox, and lastly, the Airbnb. And these these are the representative company uh, that utilizes the growth hacking strategy. Okay, next time we will run about the PMFs, especially the uh, product market fit strategies in the growth hacking process. Growth hacking process has a lot of the strategy tools, especially the validation. This part is idea validation, and is the best produce. And in this part, the the most important thing is the product market fit. We we already have we already have studied product market fit, but next time we will learn about the product market fit more closely. And next time we will learn about this part. This part is AARRR, the growth marketing channel. And lastly, we will learn about the A/B test. This is A/B test. And the last part is the execution, the high-speed execution. The uh, cross hacking is very speedy strategies, especially the contain the making process and the marketing stage and execution stages. Okay. mm, okay. PMF is a product market fit. The product market fit is the intersection of product and market. So this soccer is product, and the orange soccer is product, and the green soccer is market, and the fit area is especially the intersection and combination, combining product and market is the product market fit. The PMF refers to the process of creating a state of perfect harmony between the product and the consumer, especially market, meaning the creation of products that are actually needed and desired by consumers. Growth hacking is a strategy designed to find product market fit. So product market fit is very important part of growth hacking. So therefore, finding product market fit is crucial before implementing growth hacking. So next time we will learn about this TMF more closely. Okay, that's all for these classes, and thanks for attending this lesson, this class, and see you next classes. Bye.